Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 9th of August, 2022. This video we will talk about EthereumPoW fork won't significantly harm Ethereum Vitalik Buterin. EthereumPoW fork won't significantly harm Ethereum Vitalik Buterin. Another hard fork won't significantly harm Ethereum ETH, and pretty much everyone in the Ethereum ecosystem is supportive of the merge. When the network transitions from a proof-of-work PoW system to proof-of-stake path, according to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, I don't expect Ethereum to really be significantly harmed by another fork, Buterin said in a webinar this past weekend. PoW Fortune. My impression from pretty much everyone I talked to in the Ethereum ecosystem is that they've been completely supportive of the proof-of-stake effort and united around it. He was quoted as saying, "For now, the much-anticipated merge upgrade is expected to go through as soon as September. Ethereum supporters are excited about the upgrade, which should improve the network's efficiency and reduce its environmental impact." However, Ethereum miners, whose earnings are at stake following the upgrade given that it would remove the need for miners to secure the network, are not seemingly happy. To keep their income, they are advertising for a potential continued ETH-PoW Ethereum proof-of-work chain post-upgrade. The Ethereum mastermind claimed that those pushing for a fork are mostly a couple of outsiders that basically have exchanges and most just want to make a quick buck. Buterin was also quoted as saying that if a PoW fork turns out to be a success, a lot of decentralized applications would have to choose one way or the other, which could cause a lot of market confusion and problems. I hope that whatever happens doesn't lead to people losing money. While there might be different attempts to fork the Ethereum blockchain, one that has already found some traction is called EthereumPoW, spearheaded by Google. The attempt reportedly has the support of several Chinese companies manufacturing Ethereum mining equipment. Meanwhile, even this attempt ostensibly does not have a big community of supporters. For example, looking at their donation address, it received less than $3,000 in Ethereum in 6 days. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.